In this video, we'll guide you through configuring the billing settings. To open the billing settings, click on Billing, Advanced Settings from the main menu. The billing settings page allows you to set and configure your entities, expenses, invoices, bills, and more. Entities in LEXZUR have independent money transactions. They could perfectly reflect the branches of a firm. From Setup Entities, you can add a new entity and edit or deactivate an existing one. You can switch entities from the drop-down list on the top left of the billing menu. Additionally, entity settings such as accounts, taxes, categories, and templates can be imported from one entity to another. From the Invoices section, you can add and enable discounts, terms, services, and invoice notes. Additionally, you can customize invoice templates based on your business, so that you can manage the invoice details and information and upload your own logo. The Expenses section allows you to manage the expense categories, which are the choices you have to make when recording an expense, as well as to add your own categories. Additionally, you can view the Petty Cash to User Mapping Report, which shows the accounts that the users are allowed to use, and managing their permissions. From the Money section, the admin will be able to manage and customize information such as money languages, currencies, user rates, exchange rates, and more. In the Setup and Configuration, the user can enable taxes and billing features such as LEDS and Analytic Accounting, manage bills and invoices languages, add new currencies, and set the user rates per hour for user groups. Other settings include setting the user rate per hour for each user, setting the currency exchange rate for the entity currency, selecting the trust account, enabling the closing date, and so on. Furthermore, the billing settings allow you to activate the Partner Commissions tool and customize the Bills template and Bill Approval Center. You can also import a list of journals. For more information about LEXZUR, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.